Today I'm going to discuss a topic. Is water wet? So, hi, I'm uh, Walter White, sorry, aka uh, Water White. Okay. Uh, yes, I think it is wet. Uh, I've been wet on water before. I before. Um, as you can see on this, what is that? As you can see on this chart, uh, where is it? Right here is uh, oh, that's not supposed to. Hold up. Okay, that's better. Um, as you can see, there's a drastic difference between the connection of one element to another. Uh, this is this is highly influenced by the number of wet molecules in in the what is that? What does that mean? Um, when water gets um, now what does that mean? When water gets gee, my palms are handing my hands are my palm my palms are my my palm my palms are sweating right now. Okay. When water gets wet, when uh, when water gets wet, it can't be unwetted because it is always wet. For this explicit reason, I don't think it is feasibly possible for water to become wet in a certain matter in reality because of certain aspects of the physics due to gravity and other contributing factors to the rest of the collaboration of molecules in the solar system, causing an occurrence that affects time and other factors that change how we think of milk, um, knowing knowing how often it is to happen due to its rarity, making it very common on rare occasions. Um, uh, uh, so water is not wet unless you factor in the rest of it. uh, when you throw water in a circle, notice that it notice that it does touch itself, meaning it is not straight. What could this mean? Most likely, it is due to the nature of impending architecture of color and gamma rays hitting the exterior of our around eyes, making it very difficult to solve the certain aspects of water itself. Mm, can I take that off? Let me cut, cut. Hopefully I don't cut. So hold on, wait. Um, so in actuality, water is not wet. If you think it is, um, think it is, you need help, and you should check up with your physician due to obvious evidence that it doesn't have to be explained. Water is not wet. Sorry. Thank you, and I hope you have a good time. And goodbye. Oh, also.